I'm at Five Below. Let's take a look at what they have, guys. I'm so excited. They're open. Okay, so here I am where they have the incense, guys. And here's the sandalwood, here's cactus flower, here's bloom, this is a peony blossom, velvet orchard, playful berries, and sparkling grapefruit. Then they have this here, this says musk. You get 30 in this tube here. This one here says patchouli, or patchouli if I'm saying that right, and lavender. Then here's the incense holder, and like the metal. So here you have rain fresh, and here you have essential oils, guys. And then you have some more candles down here. So if we move over here, guys, you have these boards right here, these felt letter boards, and then here you have the letters and stuff that you can put on those boards. Then you have this wall decor. Let me see if they have different ones. So this is that plant one, that flower one. This one says love. So these all look like they're the same. And then you have these little box decor. It's a 3-piece, guys, and that's what it looks like. Then you have these are also a 3-piece. You see that? Look how pretty. Those are pretty. Then this one says I believe in pink. I like those. Then these, and I'm really liking those. And look at these globes, guys. These are really cute. I've never seen these in these colors. And I'm loving the stools, guys. Then you have these. This is a tough chew toy squeeze. This is good for the bigger dogs. Then you have this one, and you have this kind, and here's the football, and here's the little raincoats, guys. Look at that. They're so cute. And then here's the little beds. That's so adorable. Nets, and you have all sorts of sporting good stuff over here, and games, skateboards, and boxing gloves and toys. How cute these are, guys. Oh my god, these are squishies. Wow, these feel so good. Okay, so those are nice. Then you have these, and then you have these balls over here. Then you have the baseballs, the practice. We're getting into the toy section here, guys. Let me see what's on this side. There goes your yoga mat. So they have the Spider-Man toy over here. Look at this one, the remote control leash. What do you do with that? My puppy, remote control leash. This is cute. I don't know how that works. Then you have, so you have the Marvel Avengers. It looks like they're like helicopter thing on the top. And then here you have the remote control llama. Isn't that cute? Then you have the toucan. Here's the helicopter. More Marvel. Then you have this toy over here for ages 14 and over, guys. Then you have the cars, the remote control cars, the remote control lion, the remote control pig. So I'm just kind of scanning that through, guys. That's really nice. On the bottom there you have like a T-Rex. Then you have the small little, the trucks, the Matchbox, and those are Disney, Hot Wheels. And then you have these right here. You have some more toys. So this is Ryan's World, Foodie Surprises Takeout, Littlest Pet Shop. And over here you have, what are these? This is a splatter ball, okay. Then you have some JoJo, Ryan's. I'm just scanning this through, guys, because they have so much stuff. They have some Harry Potter stuff right there. I'm looking at collectibles. Surprise mini camper. Look at this. Isn't this cute? Some Barbie dolls here and Disney Tangled. Then over here you have Little Pony, and look at this one from Aladdin. Then you have Frozen, Little Pony. Absolutely ecstatic, guys. And look at a giant, what is this, like a giant Slinky? That is so cute. Fart spray. That's funny. Look at those big lips. I should go home with these big lips and see what my kids say. Well, my sons. Look, the handcuffs and the yo-yo. The whoopee cushion. Awesome, awesome stuff, guys. Oh, look at the end cap over here, guys. They have the lava lamps on the bottom. So I'm really liking this lamp right here. That's cute. The lava lamps along the bottom here, and then you have these lighting ones here. Then the glass gem light. I like that. The glass gem light. And they have, this is nice. Indoor use only. Then you have the plasma ball, and this one, the galaxy ball, the Himalayan salt, Zen garden. Very nice, guys. So on this side you have some troll stuff. Guys, thank you for coming with me to Five Below to enjoy the reopening, guys. I am so excited. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. This is all frozen, guys. Look at this. I'm loving it, guys. I'll see you in the next video.